How to use Lloyds Bank contactless card. Please follow these steps. Look for the contactless payment symbol, for curved waves, on the card reader or payment terminal. Your Lloyds Bank debit or credit card must have the contactless symbol on it to use this feature. Check the payment limit. The contactless transaction limit in the UK is £100 per transaction. For higher amounts, you may need to use chip and PIN. Tap your card on the reader. Hold your contactless card close to the reader within 2 to 4 centimeters. Wait for confirmation. The payment terminal will beep or display a green light to confirm successful payment. Take your receipt, if needed. Some merchants offer digital or printed receipts, but they are not always provided for contactless payments. Check your Lloyds Bank mobile app or online banking to keep track of your contactless spending. Use a PIN if required occasionally. Thanks for watching.